Welcome to this brief overview video of the Benchmark Systems EMR platform. If you'd like to jump ahead to any specific area, please use the timestamps below. This presentation will be given from a doctor's perspective. Doctors access their practice's unique URL and will sign in using their secure user ID and password. Once signed in, they will be presented with their home screen. This home screen displays a list of appointments for today, as well as a message center. Appointments can be filtered by the provider, date, appointment type, location, and current status. Each appointment will show both the scheduled time for the appointment and the actual time the patient arrived. By clicking on the highlighted Patient Form button, you are presented with the completed patient questionnaire or intake form. Such forms are filled out in advance by the patient via the patient portal. Once reviewed, you can click the Accept button to import the answers directly into the patient's chart documentation. Clicking on the patient's name will take you to their face sheet and encounter table of contents. A practice can have up to 9 different face sheets customizable by doctor. After reviewing and updating the face sheet sections as needed, the doctor will continue the encounter by clicking on the next section. In this case, we've clicked to go to Vitals. After inputting or reviewing the vitals, we can click on the green Workflow button at the bottom of the screen to accept and save the values and move on to the next area of the encounter, which in this case is History of Present Illness. In the same way, after reviewing and updating the findings for the patient, we can move on to the Review of Systems. The Review of Systems has been populated with the answers from the patient questionnaire. The staff can review these answers, update as needed, and add additional comments or remarks, and move on to the next encounter section. In this case, the physical exam, where they will record findings for this patient. Progressing on to the specialty or procedure section, you will notice we have completed a hearing screening for this patient. Users can add additional comments and notes, taking advantage of the commonly used predefined phrases or comments that the practice created to save time of documentation. Benchmark's EMR platform can interface with a variety of laboratory vendors, such as LabCorp and Quest, as well as hospitals using HL7 standard interfacing protocols for sending orders and receiving results. We support clinics having a preferred list of tests in order to make orders more efficient. Users can add special instructions or comments to the lab vendor when needed, and the lab orders themselves can be printed, faxed, or sent electronically via interface. Let's move ahead to our prescription screen. We can refill prescriptions quickly from the patient's current list of medications, or add new prescriptions easily from the doctor's preferred list of choices. These medications are sent to the pharmacy electronically, utilizing the SureScript's nationwide network of pharmacies. The system is designed to give you drug-to-drug, drug-to-allergy, and drug-to-ailment warnings, as well as drug formulary information. The E&M guideline area allows doctors to select the time factor or the medical decision-making level for the visit and recommends the appropriate coding level. They can add additional comments as necessary, and such notes will be included within the progress note, providing the documentation to support the selected level of service. The system can also give guidelines and reminders based on the patient's age, gender, or applicable medical history. In your assessment and plan area, we support predefined phrases for commonly used dictation. The ICD and CPT codes resulting from the encounter documentation are presented, and when the encounter is closed, that data can be forwarded to your billing platform for claim generation. The doctor reviews the progress note for completion, moves to end the encounter via the Encounter Close screen, reviews the visit summary, marks the encounter complete, and signs off. Closed encounters can be appended when needed. We thank you for taking the time to view this video. If you have any questions about Benchmark's EMR platform, or would like to see a more comprehensive review, please contact us so we can arrange a personal demonstration. We look forward to working with you.